good silk press hate to see me coming? I know I said I was not putting heat on my hair no more. I'm trying to get the curls back. I got good new growth, but we're going to use some heat protectant because Wavytalk sent me their new Steam Pro flat iron or comb. Hold on, let me open it. Okay, so here it is. They sent me their new Steam Sesh hair straightener. And I'm very interested to see. A lot of people say that it's so good because you use steam to straighten your hair, not so much heat. I gotta try it. Hair is air dry. I definitely have to run the blow dryer through it just a little more because I do have some wet parts. But this is what we're working with. Let's do a thumbnail. Bombed because who here want to be looking like this? Watch me go from this. Let's open this product. They wanted to work with me on a different product, but I just emailed them back and was asked that I tried this instead. So they are indeed flat irons, and here's where the water goes for the steam. I got pink, of course. Comes with a cute little scrunchie. Ooh, it's nice and soft. Like that. A glove. Why a glove? Maybe the steam gets hot when it's coming out. I want you to burn your hands. Okay, let's try it out. So, it has like a little lever here. I'm guessing that's where pop that out. I'm gonna open it here. And let's see if it's really worth it, okay? Let's see how straight it gets my hair. Say, please fill the tank with purified water or distilled water. I have to go downstairs by the fridge to do this, so I'll be back. Okay, got the water. Got the squeeze bottle. Comes with this. You can twist this. And that's how you fill the water in this over here. So let's plug her up. Goes in top first. And then clicks in. Ooh. Got a long cord, so careful. I do gotta blow dry real quick first. I'm gonna be using my Lane blow dryer just because it's pink. I'm not trying to put too much heat on the hair. Alright, I'll be back once I blow dry. Okay, so went ahead and blow dried my hair. You just plug the flat iron up. We're about to turn it on. Oh, there's the temperature there. Oh, not 450. Let's do 370. Let's see what it does at 370. And then it has a steam button. So once it gets to the time, we will go. CJ, get up out my room. I'm gonna go in with the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil, which is also a heat protectant.
I want to play with this.
What is that?
I want to show for
the
what? Spider-Man robot.
Don't work on the carpet.
He work downstairs.
But who said you can go downstairs?
A disappearman.
What?
A disappearman.
Ain't no disappear man.
I saw him in my room. He tell me to disappear back home.
He what?
He's
a stranger?
No, a disappearman.
That sounds like a stranger to me.
And they disappear back home.
Is that right?
And that is the
Alright, we just turned the steam off.
that is the Spider-Man robot car. Hey, a race car.
Alright, it'll take a minute. Oh, so. Alright, let's see if I can do one pass. Look at the difference. Okay, it's pretty dang good. Okay, that's nice and straight. I'll be back when I got more done. And I'm gonna have to say, I like it makes my hair feel really good. It doesn't feel like it's getting stripped, and it still has this fullness at the bottom, which usually is full here, but since my ends are a little damaged, it doesn't stay full at the bottom. It gets like stringy. I like how full it is. I started off using them at 370 in the back, but I felt like I needed a little more heat because it's a little thicker back here. So I did it at 410, and that would seem like the perfect heat. I've already had to refill this one time, and I've only done half of my head. I recently just replaced the water, like added some more water. Only thing, it has a weird smell. I wash my hair, it's clean, so maybe it's because the flat irons are new and this is the first use. But we'll be back once I get the back part done, and then we can go over and show you some more pieces how I did. Starting on the other side, and I've had to refill it. I just refilled it for a third time. And when I was refilling it, I noticed that they are heavier than your average flat iron. It's like the weight of it. It's like heavy. But that's neither here nor there. Just for someone that may be concerned about that. But you can get it straight in one pass. Just like that, we have our silk press for this week. Hopefully it lasts 2 weeks. Your girl's in her first trimester. Just so tired, I haven't felt like doing my hair, so it's easier. Straight, it's more manageable. So if you like this video, let me know. Comment below. Do you need this out of like your regular flat iron? I honestly don't know how much healthier it is. Like, I know this says steam's coming out, but it still feels like it's just the same steam or heat that comes out of your flat iron when it's really hot. At the end of the day, you always just want to make sure you're protecting your hair with heat protectant and not using too much heat and going over and passing too many times. So I think that will be the ultimate tester. But do you have to go out and buy this steamer? I don't think you have to break the bank. Now if you want to try it out, if they're sending it to you for free, be my guest.